So a few months ago, I got a message from one of my subscribers and she was complaining that her face was already darker than her body and that she does not know why her face is getting darker than her body. Then I proceeded to ask her, are you using the ingredient that can brighten up your face, or are you just randomly using any product or any ingredient that you just find in any product anyhow? And then she did not answer because she knew that she has not been using the right ingredient or the right product that can tackle that particular problem. So if you are having hyperpigmentation or your face is darker, okay, than your body, this video is for you. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi, Favy, with the beautiful skin. And if today is the very first time you are seeing me on this channel, you are welcome. And my name is Amarachi Favy. Over here, we talk about skincare, everything that has to do with skincare. I am a skincare lover myself. I would love you to stay subscribed to this channel because that would make you to know, okay, when I upload a new video that will tackle that particular skin concern that you have been battling with. Please remember to turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video, and subscribing to this channel is absolutely free, and my subscribers, they know that they get value, okay, they get value from this channel. So please smash that subscribe button. So in this particular video, I'm going to be telling you just two products that can brighten up your skin. If you're the kind of person that your body is brighter or lighter than your face and you have been wondering, what am I not doing right, what have I not done to brighten up this face, and yet that face refused to brighten up, this video is for you because I'm going to be breaking it down, okay? These two products, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to tell you how to use it. I'm going to tell you why they're going to work for you. And I'm going to tell you the best times to use it so that they would work for you. So please watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will not make any mistake at all. So the very first product that you're going to be needing if you want to brighten up your face because your body is already brighter and your face does not want to correspond, you're going to be getting the particular soap, okay? This Kojic 3-in-1 bar soap. The particular one right here. The particular one is very, very good. This is a Kojic Sun soap, a Kojic Sun lightening soap. The particular soap contains kojic acid, which we know is a lightening ingredient that helps to lighten up your skin. There is no how your skin is very, very stubborn and your skin will not get brightened by you using this soap. There is no how, okay? It cannot be in the same sentence. Your skin will brighten up if you use this particular soap. The particular soap is a 3-in-1 soap, okay? Like I said, when you get it, do not use it per bar. Cut it into pieces. I'm going to insert the link to this particular video on how I use the particular soap on my face. I was once like you. There was a time that my face was, dull and my body was glowing up. And I was like, what am I not doing right? Until I laid my hands on this soap. You're expected to use this soap as a beginner once in a week, okay? Then on the second week, 2 times in a week. On the third week, 3 times in a week, and so on. So from the third week upwards, okay, depending on how sensitive your skin is, you can either be using it 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Do you understand me? But for the first time you're going to be using this soap, for that week, you're only going to use it once, and only at night, okay? You are going to lather up this soap and apply it onto your skin, leave it for a minute or two, then rinse it off, and then go ahead to see how your skin will glow up. In fact, I would love you to watch that video. The link will be pinned in the comment section so that you see the proper way to use a particular soap to brighten or lighten up your skin to blend well with your body complexion. This soap contains kojic acid, okay, which helps to even out uneven skin tone, helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, helps to get rid of dark spots, and helps to get rid of dull skin and just give you a brighter looking skin. It also contains glycerin, meaning that your skin will not be too dry when you are done using this soap, okay? If you are someone that you are very, very skeptical about it, you are like, I don't want to use it because it will dry out my skin. It might not really dry out your skin depending on your skin type, okay? Because it contains glycerin, and glycerin is known for its hydrating properties that would help to hydrate your skin and make your skin to look fresh and plump. It also contains tea tree oil, okay, which helps to prevent acne, okay, from occurring on your face. It helps to get rid of acne, helps to get rid of acne-causing bacteria, and in general, just give you a smooth skin. So if you're also struggling with acne and dark spots, okay, because acne tends to bring dark spots, okay, you should lay your hand on this particular soap as well. It is not just for those that are having dull skin or their skin is not corresponding with the complexion of their body. So the second product that you're going to be needing for the particular routine will have to be a product that would help to sooten, okay, hydrate, and also brighten up your skin, which is the particular aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is a little gem in a cute little bottle. Is it really small? So it is a very, very, very good product. It contains aloe vera extract, okay, which has soothing properties that would help to calm any kind of irritation that your skin is going to get from using the Kojie soap. In case your skin, has this burning sensation, or maybe your skin is, red, okay, because maybe some people's skin is very, 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 very sensitive. So if your skin happens to be in this kind of category, then you must, even if your skin is not in that category, you must lay your hand on this particular aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, the extract that it contains is very, very good and potent, that would help to calm your skin, help to get rid of hyperpigmentation. Aloe vera gel can get rid of sunburn, okay, it gets rid of sunburn, it gets rid of discoloration, it gets rid of hyperpigmentation, it gets rid of dark spots. So that is the reason why I recommended it for this particular skin concern. It also contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that will help to brighten up your skin, and also vitamin E, which in general will nourish your skin. One thing I like about it is that it brings this calmness to your skin, okay? It makes your skin to be very, 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 very calm, okay? So like I said, any night you're going to use your Kojie soap, you're also going to make use of your aloe vera gel. And even if you're not making use of your Kojie soap, you can use this as a moisturizer in the morning and also at night. It is very, very good and suitable for you. The most important thing in this routine, okay, in as much as I said that it is a 2-product routine, there is a particular product that you should not miss, okay? With or without this product, you should already have a sunscreen in your routine. Sunscreen would help you to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. Your skin might not be too sensitive when you use this particular Kojie soap, but your skin might be too sensitive when you use it, and then the next morning, and you're spending the next day, the whole of that day under the sun without a sun protecting factor, okay? That is very, very wrong. So for that, I'm going to recommend the Bio UV or the Skin Aqua. Any of these sunscreens that you can get is very, very fine. Any night that you go ahead to use the Kojie soap, please, in the morning, baptize your face with your sunscreen. Be very, very generous while applying. Do not mice product. Do not say, oh, don't have money to repurchase, because it might actually give you sunburn, okay? Kojic acid is a very, very strong ingredient that can react to the sun and make your face to get darker or make your face to burn. And that is not what you want. So please make sure that you protect your skin from the harmful UV rays or harmful UVBs, okay? Or for the harmful UVA or harmful UVB rays, okay, using sunscreens, good sunscreens like that. And if you know they're going to spend the whole day, okay, outside, make sure that you throw it into your handbag so that after every 3 hours or 2 hours, you wash your hands and then reapply your sunscreen on your face so that your face will stay protected the right way. So if you have been looking for a simple routine that can help to get rid of that dullness, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, get rid of dark spots and just give you a glowy and a fresh looking skin so that your face can blend with your body so that you be that popping queen that you want to be, then I would want you to get these products and use them just the same way that I've already taught you in this particular video. I wish you all the best because I want you to glow up, okay? I wish you a glowy skin, and I can't wait for you to come to the comment section to give me your testimonies. So if you have one particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me a thing or two that you have learned, okay, from this video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.